wolf wheels.
Look at me go!
It's my turn. You can't even drive straight.
I can't drive straight. It's the wolf wheel's fault.
You gotta show it who's boss. Let me.
No, I know what to do.
Whoa, Wolfie! This thing's mine! Mine!
Hey, it works better when you treat it nice, guys.
Huh? It's like it's driving itself.
Right at that lamppost!
Damaged lamppost?
Look!
It's the Wolfies. Huh? They say they need our help.
The Wolfies again.
PJ Masks, we're on our way.
Into the night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes Greg becomes Connor becomes
Cowboy!
The PJ Masks!
We should find them, in case they're really in trouble. But they're always in trouble.
Good idea, PJ Robot. Let's take the PJ Seeker and try out all the ways it can track them down. Come on.
Okay, tracker mode. Should be this button. Aww.
No, it's this one.
It definitely probably must be this one. Maybe. Sorry.
How about this one?
I think I got it. And we have contact. Gotta be the Wolfies.
Well, finally, help's arrived. What's happened?
It's our wolf wheels. Howler lost control.
Hey, it was driving by itself.
It was what?
We managed to jump out, and then it just drove away. Silly car.
You gotta help us find it, please.
Pretty please with a yip yip yaroo on top? What are you really up to? Is this some sort of wolfie trick?
The wolf wheels is out there by itself, and it's in trouble. I don't know how I know, but, well, it's my special wolfie friend.
That's how I feel about the Gecko-mobile. Let's help them find it.
Okay, you search one side of the city, and we'll search the other.
Here, keep in touch with this.
I'll take that. I'm the leader.
Says who?
Hey!
Wait for me, guys!
I don't think they're going to find much.
We better hurry then. Come on! Okay, tracker mode. Which button was it again?
Don't worry, I got this. Everyone okay?
The wolf wheels! There it goes!
PJ Robot. You drive.
The Wolfies were right. It's driving itself.
That can't be. Something must be controlling it.
Or someone.
No, I said this way. Ugh, behave.
I don't think the Wolfie said you could drive their car, Luna.
This car was made with moonlight, so this Wolf Wheels is my Luna Wheels. You asked for it, Luna Wheels.
Gasping geckos, she's gonna supercharge it. Wow, now it really is driving by itself.
Luna Wheels, come back here, now!
I think you made it mad, Luna.
Stop that!
Let's split up. That'll confuse it.
What? Back, I say! Oh, what's it doing? Help!
Remember what Kevin said about the car? How it was a Wolfie friend?
Yeah? So?
Kevin, come in. Kevin? We found your Wolf Wheels, but we need you. Like, right now.
On my way!
Hello? Nighttime villain in need of help here.
There's more to this crazy car than meets the eye. I'll show you. Easy. It's okay, fella. Nothing to worry about.
Huh?
That's right, Kooky Wheels. Back off. Did I say kooky? I meant incredible.
Hey, guys. What's going on? The Wolf Wheels seems angry. Really angry. It must have been frightened. How can you frighten a car? It's not just a car. It's got feelings.
Exactly. I knew he was special. You mean it just wants to be treated nicely?
Yeah, we all do, don't we?
A car with feelings? As if. It just needs to know who's master.
Stop! You're hurting it!
Hey! That's my magnet! Put it down!
Look out! The Luna magnets made it go loopy. This has gone too far. Time to be a hero.
Hey!
Owl feathers!
Super Cat jump!
It's okay, Wolf Wheels. I've got you. Uh-oh. Jackadoodle! We missed all the action.
Hey there, little fella. Did you miss me? I bet you've got tired tires after all this driving around. You know what you need? A nice tickle. Who's a good boy? You are. Yes, you are.
Hey, if I can't have the Wolf Wheels, I at least want my magnet back. Please? Whoa! What's it doing? Stay back!
to treat your things with respect. Especially funny furry cars.
Hey, Wolf Wheels, we're sorry for treating you badly before.
Yeah, but we're all together now. A full Wolfie pack. Yeah! See you around, Wolfies. Bye, Wolf Wheels.
Yuck. Howly reunions. I'm out of here.
Hey, PJ Robot. So, how do we start this thing again?
Maybe we should treat the PJ Seeker a bit better, too. Which button, PJ Robot?
PJ Masks all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day! PJ Robot says the PJ Seeker's in great shape.
Awesome! Maybe he'll take it for PJ Seeker walkies.
Or give it PJ Seeker cookies. Gotta treat it right.